today I'm going to show you the best work from home job that you can do in 2025 as a complete beginner. I'm not going to show you any of the already oversaturated jobs such as freelancing or print on demand. Instead, in this video, I'm going to go over an opportunity that most people are sleeping on right now and that they do not know currently exists. So here's a product that's been doing extremely well recently through TikTok Shop. As we can see, it's generated over $3 million in revenue, and there's many different products like this as well. So right now is the best time that you can get started doing this. On this website called Callow Data, we can look at the latest TikTok Shop products that creators are earning affiliates from. Now, before you click off this video, because TikTok Shop isn't available in most countries, if you're like me and you don't live in the US, I'll also be showing you how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Using TikTok to promote affiliate products is flying under most people's radars currently, just because they don't realize how big of an opportunity this is. Since you can create a lot of TikToks in a short period of time, they only have to be like 20 to 30 seconds long, maybe even less. So you can make 10 or 20 of them in just a few hours, and your chances of going viral are so high because TikTok is such a discoverable platform. So then you can earn a lot of affiliate commissions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make these TikTok videos even if you don't want to show your face at all. For step number 1, we're going to create content for TikTok, since we're going to need actual content so that we can promote our affiliate products. So I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you can use that use AI to create these completely faceless TikTok videos where you don't even have to show your face. So the first website is arcads.ai. So Arcads is an AI website where they take different AI avatars and they'll create actual TikTok UGC videos for you. So as we can see here, here's some of the avatars that they can create, and these avatars look really realistic, and in my opinion, this is the most realistic AI that you could use. But it comes at a drawback of their cheapest plan being over $150 Canadian, so it's incredibly expensive. So the second website that I'm going to be showing you is Creatify. Now Creatify is very similar to Arcads AI, and we can see the avatars are kind of the same thing. You can create UGC content with Creatify as well. As we can see on the plans here, Creatify is significantly cheaper than Arcads.ai. So I would recommend it if you have a bit of a smaller budget. The third and final website that I'm going to show you is HeyGen, which is the website that I'm going to be using in this video. So HeyGen is also a paid service like both of the others, but there's actually a free plan that they offer that we can take advantage of. So since they offer a free plan, you can actually take advantage of it, since we can make 3 videos for completely free. And then once you have to pay, you just create another account and sign up for the free plan all over again, and then you'll get another 3 videos. So you can just do this infinitely without ever having to actually pay. So for step number 2, we need to find a product to promote. So as we can see here is 3 bottles of ashwagandha gummies, and they're a very popular product that is currently doing very good. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use this product as our product that we're going to promote. So as we can see here in HeyGen, we can choose between all of these different avatars. So I'm going to choose this one here, and there's all different backgrounds that we can choose as well. So I think this background is the most relatable, just kind of looks like he's in his living room or something. So now we need to come up with the script. So what I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT and then ask it to create me a script for our product. And then I'm just going to paste in the title of our product, and ChatGPT is going to come up with the script for us. So here's the script it came up with. I think it needs to be refined a little bit more. So I'm going to ask it again to make it a bit more seamless. That way it's just an overall better script for a video. So there we go. Now we have our script, and we can kind of hear what it sounds like as well. Now the AI avatar is not going to be animated until we actually export it, but we can get a preview of what it sounds like right here.
To help with stress, plus vitamin D for immune support. They taste so good and have seriously boosted my mood and energy levels.
So we can see that the voice sounds pretty good. Since it was completely free, you know, it's not the best, but we have to consider that we're not paying any plan, and it sounds realistic enough that we could use it to promote this product. So now that our video is done, we need to move on to the next step, So this is where it's going to differ depending on where you live. So if you're from the US and you have access to TikTok Shop, all you have to do is search up TikTok Shop, sign up and join it, and then you'll be able to promote your product within TikTok fairly easily. Now, if you're like me and you're outside of the US, I'm going to show you how you can also do this being outside of the US. So what we're going to do is go to amazonassociates.com. As we can see here, if you've never heard of Amazon Associates before, it's Amazon's affiliate program where they give you up to a 10% commission for promoting their different products. So this affiliate program's available pretty much anywhere in the world, so you don't have to worry about country restrictions, etc., which could happen if you're using TikTok Shop's affiliate program. So once you're signed up for Amazon Associates, I'm going to go to amazon.com and then paste in the title of the product that we're going to promote. Almost every single product that you find is also going to be on Amazon, since almost every company has their products in some form available on Amazon. In the top left here, we can actually get an affiliate link for this product so that we can use this link to promote this product, and so that we can earn a commission very similarly to how you would on TikTok Shop. So I'm going to go to TikTok, and in the left side here, I'm going to click on upload. So now we can put in our video that was made earlier on HeyGen, and now we can title our video and do all this stuff. And you may be asking, well, where are we actually going to be putting our Amazon affiliate link? So for this, there's two different places that you can put your Amazon affiliate link. So the first one is in your bio, and this is good if you're promoting one product. And really, this is the place that people are probably going to see it the most. So we can put our bio as purchase here and then put in our link. There's also one other place that we can put the link, and that is in the comment section. So this is better if you have a ton of different videos that are promoting different products. You're going to want to have a different link in every single comment section. And that way, when people see your video, they'll go to the comments, and if you pin this comment, they'll see it as the top comment, and then maybe they'll buy the product from you, and you'll earn a commission from Amazon. That way, we can earn an affiliate commission even based outside of the US using TikTok. Thanks for watching.